cell the basic unit of life. Scientist discoveries. Robert Hooke 1665 discovered cell, dead cell, cell wall. Anton von Leeuwenhoek 1674 discovered living cells like amoeba, RBC, sperm cell, bacteria, etc. Matthias Jacob Schleiden and Theodor Swan 1839 gave cell theory. Rudolf Virchow 1855 said omnis cellula e cellula, that is, all new cells arise from pre-existing cell through cell division, gave modern or modified cell theory. Scientist discoveries. Daniel and Dabson 1935 gave sandwich model or trilaminar model of cell membrane. Robertson 1959 gave unit membrane model of cell membrane. Singer and Nicholson 1972 gave fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. Nageli and Kramer term cell membrane. Pfeffer term plasma membrane. Plove term plasma lemma. Scientist discoveries. Dujardin 1835 discovered protoplasm, called protoplasm as sarcode. Purkinje 1839 gave term protoplasm. Julian Huxley said that protoplasm is physical and physiological basis of life. Strasburger gave term cytoplasm and plasmodesmata. Porter and Thomson 1945 discovered endoplasmic reticulum. Term endoplasmic reticulum given by Porter. Scientist discoveries. Camillo Golgi 1898 discovered Golgi body in nerve cell of barn owl. Christian de Duve 1955 discovered lysosome. Kolliker 1880 discovered mitochondria in insects. Altman called mitochondria as bioplast. C. Benda 1886 gave term mitochondria. Scientist discoveries. Ernst Haeckel 1866 discovered plastid. A. J. W. Schimper 1883 gave term chloroplast. Robinson and Brown 1953 discovered ribosome in plant cell. George Palade 1955 discovered ribosome in animal cell, gave term ribosome. Talbot and Beavers discovered glyoxysome. Scientist discoveries. Robert Brown 1831 discovered nucleus in root of orchids. Fontana 1781 discovered nucleolus. Balbiani 1881 discovered polytene chromosome. Fleming and Ruckert 1882 discovered lamp brush chromosome. Hammerling 1934 demonstrated heredity role of nucleus in Acetobularia species. Scientist discoveries. Zacharias Janssen built first microscope. Christian Graham developed Gram staining technique. Hamstein 1880 gave term protoplast. Leininger discovered oxysome. Menke 1961 discovered thylakoid. Park and Biggins 1964 gave term quantasome. Scientist discoveries. Engelmann 1868 discovered flagella. Hofmeister 1848 discovered chromosome. Perner 1953 discovered spherosome. De Duve et al. 1965 discovered peroxisome. Baveri 1888 discovered centrosome. Robertis and Franchi 1953 discovered microtubules. Pelvis et al. 1974 discovered microfilament. Cell cycle and cell division. Scientist discoveries. Howard and Pele, 1963, described cell cycle. Strasburger observed mitosis in plants, also said that new nuclei are formed from pre-existing nucleus. Walther Fleming, 1882, observed mitosis in animals, also gave term mitosis. Whiteman, 1887, term cytokinesis. Snyder, 1887, term karyokinesis. Scientist discoveries. Farmer and Murray, 1905, term meiosis. Van Beneden, 1887, Strasburger, 1888, Sutton, 1900, and Winnewater, 1900, first to study meiosis. Remack, amitosis, that is direct cell division. Montgomery, 1901, synapsis. Ziegler et al., 1977, recombination nodule. Jensen's, 1909, observed chiasmata. Anatomy of flowering plants. Scientist discoveries. Marcel Malpighi, founder of plant anatomy. K.A. Chaudhary, father of Indian plant anatomy. Nehemiah Grew, father of plant anatomy, gave term tissue and term parenchyma. Nageli gave term meristem, term xylem, and term phloem. Catherine Esau wrote book The Anatomy of Seed Plants. Scientist discoveries. Hofmeister and Nageli, 1858, gave apical cell theory. Hanstein, 1870, gave histogen theory. Smith, 1924, gave tunica carpus theory. Cloves, 1958, discovered quiescent center. Sliden, 1839, gave term parenchyma. Scientist discoveries. Popham and Chan, 1950, used term mantle for tunica and term core for corpus. Schupp, 1917, gave Carper Kappe theory. Metenius, 1805, gave term sclerenchyma. Haberland gave term hadrome for xylem and term leptome for phloem. Von Sasse, 1935, gave three major tissue systems. Kasperi discovered Kasperian strip on endodermis. Hurtig discovered sieve element. The living world. Scientist discoveries. Theophrastus, 370 to 287 BC, known as father of botany. Aristotle, known as founder of taxonomy, known as father of biology and zoology, gave classical old descriptive systematics. Carolus Linnaeus, known as father of taxonomy, gave binomial nomenclature, gave term class and order, gave classical old descriptive systematics. Scientist discoveries. A.P. de Candolle, known as father of classification, gave term classification, proposed term taxonomy. Simpson gave term systematic. Julian Huxley gave term neo-systematics, that is biosystematics. William Roxburgh, known as father of Indian botany and herbarium. Lamarck gave trinomial nomenclature and term phylogeny. Scientist discoveries. John Ray gave term species and family. Eichler gave term division. Ernst Mayr defined taxon, gave biological concept of species. J.K. Maheshwari, flora of Delhi. George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker wrote book Genera Plantarum, gave natural classification system. Biological classification. Scientist discoveries. Aristotle, 384, to 322 BC did first scientific attempt of classification, gave term enema and enema, also divided living organisms into animals, human beings and plants. Carolus Linnaeus gave two kingdoms classification, kingdom Plantae and Animalia. Ernst Haeckel gave three kingdoms classification, introduced kingdom Protista. Copeland gave four kingdoms classification, introduced kingdom Monera. R. H. Whitaker 1969 gave five kingdoms classification, introduced kingdom Fungi. Scientist discoveries. Carl Woese 1990 gave three domains, six kingdoms classification. Anton von Leeuwenhoek, known as father of microbiology, Chiron gave Chiron's theta model of DNA replication in bacteria. F. J. Kuhn and Ehrenberg coined name bacteria. Griffith 1928 gave transformation theory. Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy 1944 proved that the transformation principle is DNA and DNA is genetic material. Scientist discoveries. Lederberg and Tatum 1946 gave conjugation theory. Zinder and Lederberg 1952 gave transduction theory. Enocard and E. R. Raux 1898 discovered PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organisms in pleura fluid of cattle. Borel et al. 1910 named PPLO as Staphylococcus microides. Novak 1929 placed Staphylococcus microides under the genus Mycoplasma. Scientist discoveries. Anton Debarry 1887 called slime mold as Mycetozoa. Von Achs 1981 called fungi as Mycota. Doi et al. 1967 discovered Ester yellow disease caused by Mycoplasma. Pasteur 1880 gave term virus. Dmitry J. Ivanovsky 1892 discovered tobacco mosaic virus TMV, first discovered virus. Scientist discoveries. M. W. Beijerinck 1898 called virus as Contagium vivum fluidum, infectious living fluid. W. M. Stanley 1935 crystallized tobacco mosaic virus for the first time. W. Twart and D. Harley discovered bacteriophage. Diner 1971 discovered viroids. Alper et al. Discovered prions. Randall et al. Discovered virusoids. Scientist discoveries. P. A. Mitchell, father of mycology, study of fungi. Professor K. C. Mehta discovered rust cycle. Frank 1885 gave term mycorrhiza. Erip Arrhenius, father of lichenology, study of lichen. Theophrastus gave term lichen. Swendener 1897 studied dual nature of lichen. Plant kingdom. Scientist discoveries. Aristotle and Linnaeus gave artificial system of classification. George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker gave natural system of classification. Engler, Prandtl, Hutchinson and Tuckhagen gave phylogenetic system of classification. Inlicker gave term Thallophyta. F. E. Fritz, known as father of phycology, that is algology. Scientist discoveries. M. O. P. Iyengar, father of Indian phycology. Braun 1864 gave term Bryophyta. Hedwig known as father of bryology, that is Bryophyta. Professor Shivram Kashyap, known as father of Indian bryology. Haeckel 1860 gave term Eridophyta. Scientist discoveries. Theophrastus, known as father of Pteridophyta. Von Tighem and Dolliot gave stellar system with reference to Pteridophyta. Anton von Leeuwenhoek discovered polyembryony in citrus plant. August Wilhelm Eichler, 1883, divided plant kingdom into two subkingdoms, that is cryptogamy and phanerogamy. Transport in plant. Scientist discoveries. Slater and Taylor, 1960, water potential. Mayer, diffusion pressure deficit, that is DPD. Renner, suction pressure, that is SP, gave term active and passive absorption. Ebbe Knowlett, 1758, osmosis. S. Imamura and M. Fujino, Japanese scientists, showed the accumulation of potassium ion in the guard cells during stomatal opening. Scientist discoveries. Leavitt, 1974, explained the influx of potassium ions in the guard cells and their critical role in stomatal movement. Bergerstein, 1887, studied guttation. Priestley, root pressure theory. Digson and Joly, transpiration pool model. Cohesion adhesion theory. E. Munch, 1930, the pressure flow or mass flow theory. Scientist discoveries. Malpighi, 1675, ringing girdling experiment. Swendener, 1881, explained stomatal movement are due to turgor change in guard cells. Curtis said that transpiration is an essential evil. Stewart said that transpiration is an unavoidable evil. Mineral nutrition. Scientist discoveries. Woodward, 1699, said that soil provides minerals for nourishing plants. Julius von Sesse, 1860, German botanist, developed hydroponics, that is solution culture, that is soil-free culture, determined mineral requirement of plants. Arnon and Stout, 1939, proposed criteria to know the essentiality of an element. Scientist discoveries. P. R. Stout and D. R. Hoagland, 1939, said that mineral salts are translocated by xylem. Vinogradovsky, 1891, gave biological nitrogen fixation. Neher and Sackman gave single ion channels. Photosynthesis in higher plants. Scientist discoveries. Stephen Hales, known as father of plant physiology. Moll gave Moll's half-leaf experiment. Joseph Priestley, 1774, found out role of air in growth of green plant and discovered oxygen. Worked on mint. Jan Ingenhousz, 1730 to 1799, showed that sunlight is essential for plant process that helps somehow to purify fouled air. Worked on hydrilla. Scientist discoveries. Julius von Sesse, 1884, found that the green parts in plant is that where glucose is synthesized and stored. T. W. Engelmann, 1843 to 1909, described first action spectrum, worked on green algae cladophora. Cornelius von Neil, 1897 to 1985, worked on purple and green sulfur bacteria, inferred that oxygen evolved by green plants comes from water, not from carbon dioxide. Scientist discoveries. Ruben Kamin et al. Used heavy but non-radioactive stable isotope of oxygen O18 to prove that oxygen evolved during light reaction comes from water and not from carbon dioxide. Arnon gave term assimilatory power to refer ATP and NADPH, identified cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Robert Hill discovered light, that is photochemical phase. Scientist discoveries. Hill and Bendall proposed jet scheme. Peter Mitchell, 1961, gave chemiosmotic hypothesis. Melvin Kelvin and Benson discovered C3 cycle, that is Kelvin-Benson cycle. Worked on green algae, chlorella and Synodesmus. Hatch and Slack, Australian botanist, discovered C4 cycle, that is Hatch-Slack cycle. Scientist discoveries. Dicker and Teo, 1959, discovered photorespiration in tobacco. Blackman, 1905, gave law of limiting factor. Emerson et al. 1957 gave red dwarf effect, explain relationship between chlorophyll content and rate of photosynthesis. Emerson and Arnold performed flashing light experiment and found out existence of light and dark phases in photosynthesis. Respiration in plants. Scientist discoveries. Blackman classified respiration into floating respiration and protoplasmic respiration. Gustav Embden, Otto Meyerhoff, J. Pernus discovered glycolysis, that is EMP pathway. Gay-Lussac discovered fermentation. Hans Krebs, 1937, gave TCA cycle, that is Krebs cycle. Scientist discoveries. Kostychev, 1902, anaerobic respiration. Warburg, Lippmann, Dickens gave pentose phosphate pathway, that is PPP, hexose monophosphate shunt, that is HMS. Pasteur gave Pasteur effect. Plant growth and development. Scientist discoveries. Charles Darwin and Francis Darwin worked on coleoptile tip of canary grass, that is Phalaris canariensis, found out bending response to unilateral light. F. W. Wendt, credited with the discovery of oxygen, isolated oxygen from the tip of coleoptiles of oat seedling Avena curvature test. Wyson Jensen observed that decapitated coleoptile tip neither grow nor bend towards light, used intervening gelatin block. Scientist discoveries. Kogel et al. 1934 discovered IAA as natural oxygen. A. Pal demonstrated that coleoptiles would bend even in the dark after certain treatments. E. Kurosawa, 1926, Japanese plant pathologist, found that Beckel or foolish seedling disease in rice is caused by fungus Gibberella fujikuroi. Yabuta extracted and gave term gibberellin. Scientist discoveries. Cross et al. 1961 gave structure of GA3. F. Skoog and co-workers. Tobacco callus proliferated only when, in addition of oxygen, the culture media is provided with coconut milk or yeast extract or DNA extract. Miller et al. Discovered first cytokinin from degraded herring sperm DNA and named as kinetic N6-furfurylaminopurin. Scientist discoveries. Cousins discovered and confirmed that ripe oranges emitted a volatile substance that brought about early ripening of unripe banana kept nearby, laterly identified as ethylene. Crocker et al. 1935 identified ethylene as gaseous hormone. Three independent researchers mid-1960 reported the purification and chemical characterization of three different inhibitors: inhibitor B, abscission 2, and dormin. Scientist discoveries. Endicott et al. 1963 isolated abscisic acid from cotton balls. Garner and Allard 1920 discovered photoperiodism in Maryland mammoth variety of tobacco and biloxi soybean. Not 1934 location of photoperiodic induction is leaves. Lysenko 1928 gave term vernalization. Argain 1934 found that volatile substance released from ripe oranges is ethylene gas.